Great morning students, this is Manasvi in front of you. Today we will do exercise first B. So let's start. Great morning students, we are doing maths of class 6 exercise first B. Our exercise is related to greater than and less than. So this is our first question. Fill in each of the following boxes with the correct symbol of greater than or less than. So I am showing you one example. See, it's crocodile and see its mouth. It's open. It will eat only bigger thing. Okay, count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is 8 flats and here it is only 2 flats. So he will not eat this 2 flat. He will eat only big things. Okay, so that's why he will open the mouth only bigger side. He will always open the mouth only in the direction of bigger side. So you have to just see which digit is bigger from here. So for solving this kind of sum, we will count how many digits are here and how many digits are here. It's so simple. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 digits. Okay, and see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is 6 digit. So crocodile only eats bigger things, so he will eat this side. So we will put the sign of greater than. It is the sign of greater than. This is greater than this digit. Now see next. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So we will put here 7. And see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So it is 8 digits. So crocodile eats bigger things. So he will eat. We will put the sign of greater here because it's greater than 8. Now see next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 digits. They are 7. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is also 7. Now what we will see? We will match the digit. It's 3. It's also 3. It's 2. It is also 2. It is 5. See, it is 5. And here is 6. So 6 is greater. 6 is greater. That's why we will put the sign crocodile eat this digit. We will put the sign of greater than here. It is a greater than it. Clear? Our next sum is C. Our next sum is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending means first of all we will write bigger, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. In the end we will write the smallest digit. In the end we will write smallest digit. So here we have digits. Okay. Then we will count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are 9. In descending order, in descending order, we will write first of all bigger figure. biggest figure we will write. And what is biggest? These are 9. These are 9. So we will write first of all this figure, this digits here. We will write this digit here. Now second thing, after 9 we will write 8. 8 digit, it is also 8, it is also 8. Now we will match it. Here 6, 6, 3, 3, 5, 5 and it is 2. It is 2 and it is 7. It means 7 is bigger than 2. 7 is greater than 2. So we will write in the second number this. And after this we will write this digit. Okay. Now we have 2. It is also 7. It is also 7. Now we will check. 7, 7, 3, 3, 5, 5 and it is 4. And it is 5. So it is greater than it. So we will write it, this item, this digit first, this figure first. Then in the last we will write this. Okay, it's so simple. Just you have to make the practice of it. Now our last question is, see, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. In ascending order, we will write smaller first, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, and in the end we will write the biggest figure. See, we have 9, 8. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7. Okay. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8. So smallest, first of it's smaller. We have smaller and smaller is this. But we have 9, 9, 0, 3, 5, 7. First of all we will write this figure. After this we have 7. It is also 7 and it is also 7. Just see which figure is greater. 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7. It's 4 and it's 3. So what we will do? We will write this figure firstly and that figure later. Okay. Now we have also 2, 8. We have 2, 8. So what will we do? What will we do? See, what we will do now? 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. And it is 2 and it is 1. It means it's smaller. Then we will write this and in the last we will write that. So this is very easy exercise and you can easily do. Only you have descending order, ascending order and you have to filling the blanks. So it's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.